So, what about y'all? What's going on, y'all? How are y'all doing? So I'm out here in Yeovil, Arkansas, at this place called Razorback Ribs. Well, there's a little creek. You can probably hear it, but there's a little creek behind it. But I don't think it's not so little now. Yeah, it's not so little anymore. See if I can go over and get on the little balcony right there and get a better shot for y'all. See, here y'all go. What? Look at it. Look, you can see the water was all the way up there. Yeah, guys, look, the water was all the way up here. It's right there. It's gone down. It's crazy, man. Yeah, earlier, before when we came here, all this right here, this land was all underwater. Literally, you couldn't see any of this. Up to about right there was underwater. I can't hear you. Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, earlier there was a tree that went flying down here. Look, there's a snake. Yeah, it is. Its head is going up. Oh. Wait, is that the ground right there? Yeah, guys, it was a, yeah, when we came here, y'all, that right there, that ground was not, you could not see that.
You don't hold a phone over it like that.
The creek ain't so little anymore. Creek grew up. Yeah, look, you guys, it's receding. See that right there? This was all underwater. That little piece of land by the bridge, that was you couldn't see that. Man, I'd love to go in a kayak. Be in a kayak right now, yeah. Yeah, but it's nuts. No, God, it's been raining for about, I'd say what, maybe 15 hours now. It was raining all last night. It's raining all today. Yeah, it's 4:25, guys, p.m. It's been raining since about, when would you say? About before. It's been raining at least since midnight last night. Yeah, but it's been, heavy rain. Like, yeah, like I watched a tree when we first got here. I watched a tree flow down and hit that bridge. Yeah, Mom, when we got here, it was way worse. You couldn't, that land that's all there, that was underwater. Yeah, it was. Gosh, I thought I had my name. Yeah, well, we're gonna go see what creek. That's just the creek, like a drain. That's where all the water that goes into the drains from here goes into, guys. Yeah, that's what that all goes in. Yeah, but we're about to go. Yeah, that's Shawnee Branch, in Yeovil, Arkansas. Yeah, look at it. Excuse me. Yeah, it's mayhem. It's nuts. Look at that. There's that yard. I heard that Harrison School, they lost a bus to the water. They had a school bus that went flying off. It's not that bad. Look at this pasture, though. Look at it. Look at this pasture. There's a mini lake, and there's like a pond, and there's a couple of little ponds in the pasture. Oh my God. I'm gonna going down here. Yeah, but yeah, now y'all get to see the other side. That's crazy, y'all. Crazy. Yeah, it's been raining a lot. And I mean a lot.
Picture of the fall.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at all that fog, man. It's so cool looking. And look at it all, guys. It's so cool. That's all fog, man. See that? Yeah, that big radar tower. That is actually up on top of the mountain. Yeah, here's the other side of the creek. Yeah, that's nuts. Usually it's down. Usually you can literally hop across it like on from rock to rock. But easy, no. Like there's usually just like little.
Where did you put the food?
It's in the back on the back. Yeah, but that's crazy. That was Crooked Creek. The Shawnee Branch, that's the first one. And that's right there. And then the other one with the big bridge, that's Crooked Creek. Yes, that is not a river, that is a creek. Imagine being them people, Mom. That'd be scary. We can get out. Yeah. Yeah, you guys. Oh, I will. Look at this. It's crazy. Yeah, look at that bridge, Mom. Imagine being the people up there. That bridge is gone. Yeah, look at this. This is an old restaurant. There used to be like a little fish pond right here. Oh, guys, this right here. There used to be a little like goldfish in this. Oh, they still are. There still is. There still is fish. See, there still is fish. Whoa! Yeah, look. This is crazy, guys. And you come over to here. It's crazy. Oh, God. It's crazy. It's unbelievable. Man. Yeah, but there still is fish in here, surprisingly. Yeah, look, there's still goldfish in there. There still is fish. There's still goldfish in there. There are still goldfish in there, surprisingly. No, I didn't. Drive up the path to it. I want to see that. Yeah, guys, what that is. Yeah, but there is a cemetery, guys. It's over there, and they have a little low water bridge that. Huh? Right there.
And over there?
Huh?
Look, through there. Over there.
Oh. Wait, y'all. Look at this. That thing right there. That's a water main. That's a sewer main. Yeah, but imagine being the people up there right now, man.
They're high.
No, what they can't get it. They have to stay. They can't go anywhere.
And the other bridge you could drive, the road goes up and around too. They can go that way.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, they
That
can.
no, that road doesn't. That road
Yes, it does.
stops.
It goes all the way from, it goes all the way through there.
And where does it come out at, huh?
On the other side, up on the other side there.
This.
That road goes up from the other bridge. There's a tree.
Huh?
There's a tree.
You guys, there's that tree. We probably drive across that. Yeah, but guys, look at this. Yeah, fogging up there through the valley, man. It's beautiful. That fence, man. Yeah, look at all the down trees and stuff, y'all. That is just... Look at the fog up there through the valley, man. It's so pretty. Look, right there. Look at that. Good Lord. Down there, it's up over its banks. Like, majorly. I'm like... That's crazy. These cows, they're like, they're gonna stay, they're like, I'm gonna stay up here. Here. You better, y'all. Yeovil, Arkansas, y'all. Shawnee Branch Creek. Yeovil, Arkansas. And also Crooked Creek. The big one's Crooked Creek. Actually, I'll probably show y'all. It goes, wanna go down by the bridge at our house? Huh? And go by Grandma's house? Yo, guys, that same creek, Crooked Creek, goes right down at the next to my house. Down our road is where it also goes across. Look at the water down there. Did you see it? Right down there, guys. It was like a waterfall. Well, guys, I'll be right back. Guys, I will be right back. Let me get there. Here's another creek, y'all. There. That's crazy. Hey, look at this right here. Yeah, y'all look. It's like, oh, water. I wonder what it's gonna look like. Alright, so you guys, we're back here in town, back in Flippin. We're about to go to the creek that goes... Oh yeah, look at the fall guys up to there. So cool. So nice. Oh, we're back here in Flippin. We're gonna see what the creek is like. That's right in the town. Ooh, man. Look at this. That's flooded. Look. Guys. Oh. I want to walk across the bridge. I want to walk across the bridge. Yes. I know. Whoa. That's crazy, y'all. Crazy! It's like there's so much water. And to think the fact that we don't even have like a drain system like for our like on the side of the road like Yeovil does, Mom. Like Yeovil, they have like drains. We don't. See, like all of the water that is right here just stays. It doesn't go nowhere. It stays because we don't have drains. Like them aren't even drains over there. Them are just ditches. Like it doesn't. Oh, that's oh my gosh. The water is like so high. Look, y'all. Look at that. Nuts. I'm gonna see maybe what it's like down at the road by the apartments. Yeah, well, guys, we're checking out all the where everything. It's probably if Grandma's is closed, that one's gonna probably be closed. Mom. Like no joke, I'd love to like put a kayak in at the crossing at Grandma's, Mom, and like float down to the one down here by the apartments, Mom. You know, and have like get picked up there. You know what I mean, Mom? It's like yeah. But sure, like I'd have like a rope, Mom. You know, like I'd probably have like a rope with like an anchor or something, Mom, that that I can throw good. So I'll throw it and it'll like dig into the dirt or something, or I'll throw it and it'll hook onto a tree, Mom. You know what I mean? Ooh, or like a hook like on a rope to throw onto the gate crossing, Mom. You know what I mean? To reel myself in. Stop and check the like really cool. Awesomeness. That's so weird, yeah, guys. Like, have you ever thought about why is it just 60 seconds in a minute? Like, why not have it like 100 seconds in a minute? Like, I don't see you. Yeah, I think I do. I don't know if I see your gate across the road. Oh, I might get out. Look. I might get out. Put it in here. Put it in here.
Right here, partner.
This is absolutely nuts, y'all. Look at this. Look, there's like, look at the, this is just a little runoff right there. Look. Down there, that's a train bridge. That is a train bridge, y'all. Look at this. Look at how flooded this thing is. Warning, do not enter when flooded. Yep, no dip, Sherlock. Look. Down there is a train bridge, y'all. A freaking train bridge. I don't know if y'all can see it, but down there is a train bridge. And the water is almost all the way up there. Yeah, look at this. Fucking, this is nuts. My, look at this. It's crazy. I swear. Yeah. Yeah, like, look. Here, y'all be able to see the train bridge now better. Y'all see it now? You can see it better. Right there. Yeah, look. This is a bridge, believe it or not. A low water bridge, y'all. Like, look at this. There's a tree. A tree. Another freaking, look. Look at that little, look at it coming off. There it goes, look. Down and under. You don't even see the lot. You don't see the tree anymore. It's gone. And to think, y'all, it's been raining. Look at that. Oh, that's cool, guys. Let's see the mist. That's cool with the mist.